Hi guys, we recently went to the beautiful province of Cabungawan, Pangasinan. So biyahing norte tayo mga idol, and we stayed in one of the private resorts in the area. If you have been following the channel, we tested the Ace Pro in low light in one of our previous videos. So this time, let us test it in daytime, and what better place is at the beach. So welcome to Beach Day with Manila Tech Talk and the Insta360 Ace Pro. The Ace Pro was set to capture 4K 60p and was set to automatic. Ito yung nasa left side. However, to compare, the same video was color graded and ito yung nasa right side. Time information was added because yung quality ng video depends when ito nakuha or how much sun is present, which plays a crucial factor for action cameras if you want the best video capture possible. For this beach test, I would say na yung Ace Pro did well sa dalawang bagay. First, it captured the natural colors, the shadows and highlights are also well defined. Although syempre, content creators tend to modify videos to make it more cinematic kaya some may say it is flat. But using the default settings of the Ace Pro is already beneficial for most users. Kasi most naman would just like to turn the action camera on and then record videos immediately. Karamihan ay hindi professional editors or video operators. Second is the color editing. Maski captured in auto mode, editing is easy in case you want to emphasize the colors, vibrance, sharpness, and many more. This means the video does not break. Meaning when you edit it, it does not pixelate or bleed. I have not yet tested the 8-bit log and this will be in queue for the next episode. Like most action cameras, the Ace Pro suffers a bit when light or the sun, in this case, is not fully available. But because the strong point of the camera is the low light capability, it still performed well to capture videos kahit early in the morning. But if you will take videos at the right time, like the video that you are seeing, like a sunny day, the Ace Pro will not disappoint. The blue in the sky is not overly saturated, the colors pop out, the highlights and shadows are well balanced. Default settings is already good, but again, it will be up to you if you are capable to make it better by doing a few tweaks here and there. However, the Ace Pro is more than capable to get those highlight videos that you need. So which one did you like better? The auto capture of the Ace Pro on the left or the color graded version? Please do let us know in the comments and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.